Alright, I think this is question number 21. Let me know if it's not. Let me know if this is the wrong question. But I believe this is asking you to use a table of values to graph 6 sets of ordered integer pairs for the equation y equals negative 2x. Then describe the graph, and then can you predict how the graph of y equals 2x would differ? So, the first thing I'm going to do here, let's just make a table of some values. So we need to pick 6 numbers, and I want to do relatively easy ones because I'm all about not having to do extra work. So let's do x, let's do x, well, that's kind of big. X and y. And we need to fill them in into this equation, y equals negative 2x. So I'm just going to start with 0. What if we plugged a 0 in here? What if we said y equals negative 2x, y equals negative 2 times x, and we put a 0 in for x, so that would be negative 2 times 0. Wouldn't that just equal 0? So we could put a 0 there. Now let's do a few other numbers. Let's plug in a 1. So what if x equaled 1? Y equals negative 2 times 1. What would plug a 1 in for x, what would y equal? So what's negative 2 times 1? That's just negative 2, right? So plug in a few more. That's 2 of them. That's how I would do this, is plug in 4 more numbers for x, and you figure out what they are for y. Once you have this, you can plot those numbers on a graph. So you can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's not perfect. You can do your own on graph paper, but the idea is you would plot those points on a graph. So 0, 0 would go here, and then 1, negative 2 would be about right here. So they're saying plug the rest of those in, and then describe the graph. Does it form a line? Does it form a, I don't know, circle, a triangle? Is it a curved line? Does it slope up or down? So describe it the best you can. And then it says, can you predict how the graph of y equals 2x would differ? So there's no negative, so they're just asking, what do you think? Would it be a different slope? Would it curve? Would it not? Do the best you can on that. Alright, I hope that helps.